Hey folks, how many times have you spent hours on LinkedIn, opened dozens of Google tabs, and still couldn't find the right person to reach out to? Whether you're trying to close a deal, start a partnership, or validate a new idea, finding the right people online can be slow, frustrating, and honestly exhausting. Now imagine this instead. You simply describe who you're looking for, and within minutes you get a clean, organized list of the exact people you need. Stay with me until the end of this video. I'll show you exactly how it works. Meet Lessie AI. This is not just another AI tool, it's a full AI agent, built to handle the entire process of finding people and reaching out to them. Instead of wasting time with filters, spreadsheets, or switching between platforms, you just type what you want in plain English. For example, you can search something like startup founders building AI tools, or YouTube creators talking about business growth. And Lessie understands your intent, searches across the web and premium data sources, and gives you the most relevant people instantly. But it doesn't stop there. It also helps you contact them. So what makes Lessie AI different? Most tools give you static lists, but Lessie gives you a living, interactive workspace. That means you can refine your search, explore profiles, adjust your criteria, and keep improving your results in real time. It's like having a smart assistant that actually understands what you're looking for and improves as you go. Let me show you how this works in practice. First, you enter a search prompt. For example, founders running online businesses who need content marketing help. Then you click search, and within seconds, you get a list of highly relevant people. Not random results, but real profiles with useful context. Each result comes with details about what they do and why they match your request. So instead of guessing, you're working with meaningful data. And if something doesn't look right, you can refine your search instantly. You can remove bad matches, adjust your criteria, explore better profiles, and keep improving your list. Everything happens in one place. No spreadsheets, no switching tabs, no confusion. Now let's talk about real use cases. First, finding clients. If you run a business, you know how hard it can be to find people who actually need your service. With Lessie, you can search for businesses that match your ideal customer and instantly get a list of potential clients who make sense for your offer. Not just random leads, but real opportunities. Second, finding creators or influencers. If you're working on a brand or a project, you can search for content creators in your niche, and Lessie will find them across different platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and more. Everything is already organized, so you don't have to manually search everywhere. Third, hiring and recruiting. If you're looking for talent, you can search for specific skills like AI developers or marketing experts, and instead of scrolling endlessly, you get people who actually match your needs. This can save hours of work and help you find better candidates faster. Now here's one of the most powerful features, outreach. After finding the right people, Lessie can generate personalized messages for each person. These are not generic templates, but messages tailored to each individual based on their background and context. It can also help manage follow-ups and keep your conversations organized. So instead of just finding people, you actually connect with them and start real conversations. Another thing that makes Lessie powerful is its smart matching system. It doesn't just collect data, it analyzes signals from multiple sources across the web and understands context to find people who truly match your request. That's why the results feel more accurate, more relevant, and more useful compared to traditional tools. So who is this for? Entrepreneurs can use it to find customers, creators can use it to find collaborators, recruiters can use it to find talent, sales teams can generate leads, and startups can discover partners or investors. Basically, if you need to connect with the right people, this tool is for you. Here's the truth. The hardest part of growing anything online is not finding more people. It's finding the right people. And that's exactly what Lessie AI solves. It saves you time, reduces guesswork, and helps you focus on meaningful conversations that actually move your business forward. I've tested a lot of AI tools, and most of them look impressive but don't really deliver. Lessie feels different. It's actually useful, and it feels like a real assistant instead of just another tool. If you want to try it yourself, check the links in the description. You can go to https://lessie.ai and https:// app.lessie.ai to get started. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of people you want to find, whether it's clients, creators, or partners. I might even help you create the perfect search prompt. We're entering a new era where AI doesn't just give information, it takes action. And tools like Lessie are leading that shift. Try Lessie AI and see who you can find. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.